Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable Facebook auto translating of posts that you post on your timeline. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and then navigate to whatever post you want to adjust the language translation options for. So if you want to disable translations for a specific post, just go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select where it says turn off translations. So I've already turned it off, so now there's an option to turn on. Just by turning that on or off, you can see it's a very easy process to do. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.